Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn about how to implement a NOT gate using multiplexer. So as we all know that multiplexer is having the three inputs. One is selection input, two are the data input, 2:1 multiplexer especially. So all these gates implementations using the 2:1 multiplexer only. So now we will see the truth table of this NOT gate. Whenever the input is 0, output is 1. Input is 1 and output is 0. So we have to implement this logic using the multiplexer. So we know that multiplexer consisting of one selection input. So whenever the selection input value, that is I am assuming it as an A value is 0, then it will select the first data input. So it will select this input. So the value which is present in this first data input will appear at the output. So here we have a 1, so we will get a 1. So in case selection input is 1, then it will select the second input, propagate to the output. So second input value is 0, so we will get a 0. That means if A value is 0, our output is 1, and A value is 1, our output is 0. This is a NOT operation. So in order to implement this one, so we just take the 2:1 multiplexer. Here I took the 2:1 multiplexer. So my selection input is my input line A. I am fixing both the inputs as 1 and 0. So my first input is 1 and the second input is 0. So now if I set selection input is 0, then this one is propagated. So I will get a 1 here. So if my selection input is 1, then this 0 is propagated to output, so that I will get a 0 here. Instead of keeping 1 and 0, we may connect this one as a VDD and this one as a VSS. So like this we can able to implement all the logic gates using 2:1 multiplexer. Please share and subscribe my channel.